In this video, I am going to show you how to see your Paysera IBAN account. To find it, start by signing into your Paysera account using your credentials. Next, on the dashboard, locate the Accounts and Cards section on the left menu. Click on it to expand the options. Select Account Overview from the expanded menu. This page will display your Paysera account details, including your IBAN account number. Your Paysera IBAN account can be used for the following transactions: standard transfers for sending or receiving euro transaction within the European Economic Area. For instant SEPA transfers, for immediate transaction within the SEPA region. For sending or receiving international euro transfers between target 2 participating banks. Or for a quick and easy transfer between Paysera account, which is the fastest transfer you would do within the Paysera account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.